તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
Big Boss, I got the opportunity while being in Germany.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. So I didn't have to really struggle for that to be a part of it. I was somehow recognized, and I got the opportunity and the offer, and hence I took it. And of course, Balma happened in 2012 afterwards, and that was another super duper hit.
Yeah.
That's why people still know me as a Big Boss
Exactly.
and Balma girl, right? Because this was the two biggest projects I have done. You know, my little struggle was about how to learn Hindi, how to learn Bollywood dance, how to adapt to the new culture mentality. So that is something, a lot of hard work I had to do behind the camera to be able to adapt. But now, मुझे लगता है India मेरा country है. Few years I have also become an author and nutritionist. I published a book called Keep Eating, Keep Losing in 2016. And of course, afterwards, I have opened a brand called Gloria's Concept. And I took it as a mission as a nutritionist, you know, to help at least 1 million people in India and hashtag make India healthy. Just about, you know, one meal. It's about the food you eat, the exercise or any kind of movements you do. It's about sleep quality and stress. There is a biggest misconception I feel that healthy food is not tasty. I can't hear this anymore because मैं तो दाल रोटी सब्जी ही खाती हूँ रोज. Food on the beginning, yeah, of course, I had a little challenge with too much of spicy food. That was a little bit, you know, challenging for me. But despite that, I think this is the advantage. You can have, you know, dosa and sambar. You can have, you know, sometimes paratha and dal makhani. You can have so many poha and Maharashtrian food, yeah, Kerala, yeah, Saudi. I mean, you have so many beautiful varieties which you will meet get in every state. You won't believe I even turned vegetarian in India.
Oh, lovely.
I'm completely vegetarian. Yeah, I eat eggs, but a part of that, nothing. And this is already 5-6 years I'm vegetarian, and I'm proud of it. And it is only possible because India has so much of rich culture of varieties of beautiful vegetarian dishes. I don't eat anything after 7:30. I don't put anything inside my mouth. For example, in the festive season in Holi, I need gujia.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god! And I have this favorite shop which makes the best gujiyas.
You're talking to Claudia Ciesla. Did I say it correctly?
Correct. You can't be wrong.
No, because you know, I always feel that when you have an interesting name, people keep asking you how to say it, how to say it. Does that happen to you?
It does happen, and even in fact, sometimes when I hear a new name, even I keep asking, how do you pronounce your name? Because you know, you want to say it the right way,
The correct
and
way,
I feel it's better to ask rather than you know, mispronounce somebody's name. Yeah.
So from Big Boss to Balma, quite an interesting journey.
Yeah.
Was it difficult?
Not to get that, but definitely the work what's behind that was that little bit challenging. Like I would say that, you know, Big Boss, I got the opportunity while being in Germany.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. So I didn't have to really struggle for that to be a part of it. I was somehow recognized, and I got the opportunity and the offer, and hence I took it. But Big Boss itself, you know, not knowing the language, being a foreigner, still out of 12 weeks, 10 weeks, I was there, which gave me a beautiful foundation and platform to make my name.
To a new target audience also.
Yes. So that's the beauty of reality shows, right? You know, you will be able to connect to the audience, whereas they will actually know you as a person, because you can't fake in front of 100 cameras, right?
Not for
Being
a long
10
time.
weeks. So you know, they really connected with me. I got so much of love and support from the Big Boss time. Hence, you know, even till today, I'm in India and I love the country and I always want to be here. And and of course, Balma happened in 2012 afterwards, and that was another super duper hit. That's why people still know me as a Big Boss and Balma girl, right? Because this was the two biggest projects I have done, and of course, Balma also was a beautiful entry for me to Bollywood. So that just happened that I got the opportunity. But you know, my little struggle was about how to learn Hindi, how to learn Bollywood dance, how to adapt to the new culture mentality. So that is something, a lot of hard work I had to do behind the camera to be able to adapt. But now मुझे लगता है इंडिया मेरा country है.
तो हिंदी बिल्कुल साफ हो गई है?
हाँ, अभी तो बिल्कुल साफ हो गई.
आप हिंदी बोलने वाली की गलतियां निकाल लेती हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना?
नहीं, गलती तो होती रहती है, लेकिन मैं कॉन्वर्सेशन बना सकती हूँ, मैं बात भी कर सकती हूँ,
Wow.
इतना मुझे लगता है काफी है।
हाँ, इतना काफी है, सही है। तो अभी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आपको बिजी रख रही हैं?
You see, for the last few years, I have also become an author and nutritionist. I published a book called Keep Eating, Keep Losing in 2016. And of course, afterwards, I have opened a brand called Gloria's Concept. And I took it as a mission as a nutritionist, you know, to help at least 1 million people in India and hashtag make India healthy. Because right now, if you observe what's happening all over the world, obesity is epidemic. In India itself, 25% of children are obese. And the numbers are growing. India is the capital of diabetes. These are not nice news. So I think we can, with the help of simple food, dal, roti, sabzi, kaise kana, you know, what time, what portion, how to, you know, combine certain ingredients. You will still eat your food as per your taste and preferences, but eat it in a way which will make you healthy, which you don't need to struggle. Because, you know, quality of life, Rakesh Junjunwala ji, everyone knows him. He said, the only worst investment I have done was my health. And he regretted till the end.
till the
So I think we should all learn from him, because he was a very wise person, right? And if he itself said that don't do that same mistake, take care of your health and do it upfront, because your life itself will be very comfortable. Without health, we will not be able to meet today
Of
also
course.
and have this conversation. We'll probably be in the hospital or lie in the house.
True.
So health is the background and foundation for everything we do.
everything.
So my mission is to spread the awareness, and with Claudia's Concept, my company and my team of beautiful nutritionists, very, you know, ambitious nutritionists, we want to help people with simple diets, with a holistic approach. Because I'm always saying it's not just about you know, one meal. It's about the food you eat, the exercise or any kind of movements you do. It's about sleep quality and stress. Nowadays, everyone is so much stressed. Come on, we have to take control back of our life. You know, the temptations and cravings are important. Fine, kabhi kabhi chalta hai, but that can't be everyday routine. That we do mistakes with our diet every single day. And you know, there is a biggest misconception. I feel that healthy food is not tasty. I can't hear this anymore, because मैं तो दाल रोटी सब्जी ही खाती हूँ रोज, and this is what we love. It's not that I never eat sweets, but it's about how you eat. Your mindset also. What time? You know, there are few things which you tweak a little bit
and things are fine.
Things will become very smooth. So I want to really spread the awareness and at least help 1 million people from my side and make India more healthy. I want to you know, stop the numbers from growing. The obesity and diabetes and all those bimaris should stop, because 80% of the most chronic, dangerous chronic diseases is just caused due to lifestyle. So lifestyle is in our hands, no? Means we can avoid that. Means imagine 80%, there is more chances that you are healthy. Wouldn't you take it?
Of course.
Just by eating beautiful food?
Just by eating right. True.
That's the information I want to spread.
You know, you were born and brought up in Germany, then you shifted here, and in India, like not every state, but I think you change the city and the palate changes. You know, the diversity in food is maddening.
Yeah.
Was it overwhelming at some point of time, or you were just that enthu person who wanted to try everything and understand food and what?
I am totally enthusiastic. So I am born in Poland, but
born in Poland. Sorry,
but my mom is from Germany. But yeah, I stayed in Germany for 5 years also. But coming to the food, on the beginning, yeah, of course, I had a little challenge with too much of spicy food. That was a little bit, you know, challenging for me. But despite that, I think this is the advantage. You can have, you know, dosa and sambar. You can have, you know, sometimes paratha and dal makhani. You can have so many poha and Maharashtrian food. Yeah, Kerala, yeah, Saudi. I mean, you have so many beautiful varieties which you will meet in, get in every state. It's not that you have to travel. We have so many beautiful restaurants, and you won't believe I even turned vegetarian in India.
Oh, lovely.
I'm completely vegetarian. Yeah, I eat eggs, but a part of that, nothing. And this is already 5-6 years I'm vegetarian, and I'm proud of it. And it is only possible because India has so much of rich culture of varieties of beautiful vegetarian dishes.
Millets, and I mean, name
Too
it and we
good.
have it actually.
Exactly. And right now, even a healthy snacking called makhana, which is also
Yeah.
coming from India. So you have millets, you have makhana, you have so many goodness and varieties. I think you should take everybody should take the
Yeah.
advantage of it, right?
What are the 3 health crimes that you sometime like to commit?
Health crimes. I think
Having a cheesecake at 12 in the night or something like
I
that.
don't eat anything after 7:30. I don't put anything inside my mouth
But
apart of water.
what are those 3 things that that might tempt you once in a blue moon? But
Yeah, of course. Like, for example, I tell you, now I got the cravings. Like, for example, in the festive season in Holi, I need gujia.
yes, yes.
Oh my god, and I have
God.
this favorite shop which makes the best gujiyas. So I order the entire dabba during Holi and I keep having it every single day. But this is my treat and I will never compromise on this.
Wow.
Yeah. And me and my boyfriend, we love to have like once in few days, like little bit of ice cream,
Yeah.
things like that. It's okay.
Yeah.
Nutrition doesn't say that it's not allowed. This is also allowed within the healthy thing. We are spoiling our health by the things we do daily, not by the things we do
Once
only
in a-
sometimes
yeah.
once in the blue moon. That will not harm you. So even if you feel like having a ice cream or having a barfi or having a laddu.
Oh God.
I remember when I used to come to India for the first time, that the first few years I was obsessed about laddus. मुझे इतना पसंद आया laddus that
Motichur.
yellow,
Motichur ke laddu.
orange wala,
Yeah,
orange wala.
motichur ke laddu.
I could have it so much. So even in Big Boss, Poonam Dhillon used to do this halwa. I think made out of atta and something suji or something, but she made it so delicious. I used to like that time. So yeah, I have also my sweet tooth. I like to have it, but otherwise, other than that, I'm pretty sorted with my routine. I don't eat anything after 7:30. Even going for party, I will have my dinner at home and then go for the party.
Yeah.
And I will not munch. So sometimes that munching in between,
Yeah.
that's a little dangerous because it's not necessary. And there is also statistics for it. 37% of people mistake hunger for thirst for hunger.
That's true.
So means almost 40% of the time when you feel hungry, you're actually
You should just
thirsty.
have a glass of water.
That's it. But we keep munching
True.
because that. So yeah, this is it.
What next for you? What's happening?
So there is a big news coming, but I can't announce it. I wanted to take the permission, but they were not allowing me. But it's coming within 1 week, something really good and like, wow, I'm very excited
Okay.
about that. But a part of this, I am, very much looking forward for doing web series. Because I
lovely.
think this is, after COVID, web series has completely transformed. Whereas as an actor, you get so many opportunities to play very different kind of role. OTP is not about like, only hero, heroine. There is a multi-cast, multi-layers,
Layered
different
characters.
shades.
Yeah.
It's so interesting. So I think web series is something which I'm very excited about. Maybe little action, little comedy, who knows? Whatever the script takes. But I think this is one area I am. And of course, my nutrition business is always there, whereas my mission is very close to my heart. So those few things will always keep me busy. And, I am always ready to take any
Agile
challenge kind of a girl.
challenges.
So
Oh.
let's go for it.
Let's go for it. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
And before I let you go, any 3 things that you would want to tell to your fans that these are the 3 things that they must follow, small changes or small instructions to feel good, feel healthy and feel happy?
Yeah, about firstly hydration. Please do hydrate. Don't take it for granted. And by hydrating, I mean not with soft drinks, but with really
Plain
water.
water.
Otherwise, lemon water. Otherwise, nimbu pani.
Some detox water, yeah.
Yeah. So hydration, I think it's underrated. It gives you much more benefits than
Then you
actually
think, yeah.
it is announced. Because food, food to everybody knows inside out. I will here like to take the opportunity to tell people about their sleep and stress. Our body is able to detoxify and rejuvenate only when we sleep. Our liver, everything works and clean up our system. But if you are constantly compromising on your sleep, B2 you are too stressed or too busy or thinking cholo abhi chalta hai baad mein dekhenge.
Doom scrolling.
Don't that don't stop scrolling in the night, because that blue light of the phone is actually postponing your
Your
sleep
sleep.
for
True.
2 hours. It
True.
disturbs the melatonin production
Yeah.
and actually postpones your sleep.
Postpones
There is
your
even a study that scrolling before bedtime cuts 24 minutes of
24
your
minutes
sleep.
of your sleep.
But imagine if you don't scroll 24 minutes of your quality sleep, you will have longer every single day.
Yeah.
Isn't that a good amount of rest? So I think never compromise on your sleep. And thirdly, firstly, happy Diwali in advance. Happy Diwali in advance. And here on the Diwali mode, I would like to say, please try all this mithai, but don't overeat. Don't make it a meal. Just try it, enjoy it, have the moment. But afterwards, do some dancing also on the Bollywood to burn those
Burn your
calories.
calories. Lovely. Dance on Balma, burn your
And
calories.
dance on Balma while having barfi.
Yes. Thank you so much. It was
Thank
lovely
you.
talking to you, darling.
Absolutely wonderful.
Stay
Thank you.
gorgeous. You're so
Aw,
beautiful.
Thank you so much.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.